Hello everyone. In this video we learn about the function of a quadratic equation. That means a word problem is given. Then we have to formulate them in a mathematical type, that is a quadratic equation. Te hakum kini ki jingkhain ki word problem kila ai tengi day ban formulate yaki haka mathematical form kata kadega quadratic equation. Te shwa ban puli ya kini kamot pide ban tip shwa ge basic form. Tekne kan batai phang kong ya pi phang ga phang ni consecutive number. Tiga kita consecutive number. Consecutive number kamot kide way dan way. Pe yang ni sedang 1 1 2 3 4. Kamot bas sedang hane day 1 bot so 2 bot so 3 bot so 4 ter. Kamot pe jom bay take but take no way one so r one so lie ter. Kamot ba ada pi x udah itu consecutive number ban kong kamot pe yu r la day x plus 1 ubalai la day x plus 2 la daw no way kamot way plus way long r way plus r long lie ter kita lagi consecutive number tikine le nomor balai kini la day known value kamot klau thaw r lie re hai jing kli bade ni kla patip bagi value kamot pin haban thaw by x na x nanta x plus 1 x plus 2 ter nanta bade Hindi ban tip ro ispang tagi consecutive odd lana even number. Tiga tagi odd number. Ki odd number komod kita gi pay 1 3 5 7 ter ki bomlawan divide r tadi odd number. Nang ta ki sedai sisuro nam tagi even number by 0 2 4 6 ter tadi even number even kamot wala awan divide 2 tehne pada ki ti positive number by 1 nengkong sedang no way one so light of sun theo i ko pair kano pair r by no way life pair r life of sun pair r teh jong even ro pair r by no 0 r pair r no r of sauro pair r telada kini lada latim lupa ndai la pim tip kamot pin haban thoshwa let x be the first consecutive odd number and even number, then next consecutive odd and even kamot lawan by x plus 2 nomor balai ya pair 2 te une dei ban kong une dei ar nang ta hadin balai ro kamot lawan sau kamot nau 0 how 4 kamot lau pair sau kamot lawan by x plus 4 ter ni dei tagi consecutive odd and consecutive even number. Tagi ni dei tagi basic thing kipa pidai ban tip sepang ni function of a quadratic equation. Tementa ngin ya page pang ni ga example. The product of two consecutive positive integer is 240. Formulate quadratic equation whose root are these integer. Kamot bah neh jingkli laong ba kidon artli tagi positive integer kamot integer ke badai long positive kamot sedang now way no 1 kamot 1 to 3 te shuawan jingkhain kamot ngin ha ban tip shwa gini gi lane gi laban assume shwa kita gi artli gi positive integer te kamot ba in thought direct solution let ba hang ki ai tang artli gi tagi positive number kamot pin thought by direct let x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive positive integer. let x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive positive integer. Then according to question, it says the product of two consecutive positive integer is 2 for t. So now according to the question, it says that the product of these two positive integer, according to the question, the product of these two consecutive positive integer, kemudian x multiply on x plus 1 kan diangkatkan equal to 2 for t. Tengah don usang bracket kemudian udah multiply. Kemudian implies next step kemudian multiply by x then your x square and plus into plus your plus 1 multiply x lana x multiply 1 kemudian your x and equal to 2 for t. So in the quadratic equation we know that to the right side is a 0, so carry this 2 for t to this left side. So this implies x square plus x, and this 2 for t carry to this side, it will become a minus 2 for t. So this will be the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So this will be the quadratic equation. So after you, because the question is it say that only you formulate only in the form of quadratic equation, so we don't need to calculate, we only need to formulate into the quadratic equation type. So this will be the answer. Or if you want to add some more, you just say which is the required. I can join here only, okay, which is required quadratic equation. Also, let's continue to this example number 2. And this question is say that the sum of the square of two consecutive number is 390. Formulate the quadratic equation to find the two number. So we no need to calculate, we just formulate this question in the mathematical form and in the form of a quadratic equation. So for the starting, he said that sum of square of two consecutive numbers, so we need only to write 2. So we have to write let x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive number. This x and x plus 1 is the two consecutive number, and in the question it say that the sum of square, so we have to write the square of this two number also. So let x and x plus 1 be the two consecutive number, and their square will be and their SQU and a square and their square are so square of x is x square and the square of x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole thing square. So this is the square of these two consecutive number. Now according to question, it say that sum of the square of two consecutive number. Hane claim on the sum of the two consecutive number on sum of the square of two consecutive number. Kemudian nai sum beginning are 3 raise sum beginning square. So now x square plus x plus 1 whole thing square diangkat 39t kemudian equal to 39t. Tehnya pada Kenapa? Tune x square marway pimla balai a kemud pinshu tau x square ang na. Tune don bracket x plus 1. Kemud ba hang ne kemud lalong kum tu formula a plus b whole thing square. Kemud ba x square plus 2 multiply a rehang ne a deu x multiply b kemud ne deu b deu 1 plus b square kemud 1 square equal to 390. Hang ne page hang ne mentar don hang ne plus multiply kan term to ne bre x square plus x square pin yong no r3 x square hang ne should multiply 2 multiply 1 yo 2 kemudian 2 multiply x again will be 2x 1 square will be 1 and this 390 bring here will be minus 390 and it will be equal to 0. So next step it will be 2x square plus 2x 1 minus 390 left will be 389 and it will be equal to 0. So if you look this, it is a quadratic equation. Then you just write which is required quadratic equation, which is the required quadratic equation. So I give only you for this two question. Then if you want to learn more, you can practice some more example by yourself. If you don't understand, then you can ask me from the comment below. So only this. Thank you.